This morning I decided tonight was date night, but for the perfect date I needed to have some perfect chocolate mousse. So I got all my ingredients out, including my sugar. Let's add it to the bowl. Beautiful organic sugar sprinkled in there. Some lovely homemade organic chocolate. Quite decadent and delicious. Let's add that into the bowl. Next up on our list is the cream. Some lovely cream. Oh, that was a bit messy. Add the cream in. And lastly on our recipe is a free-range egg. Thank you, Woolworths, for our free-range egg. Put it in, give it a mix all together because that's what the instructions say. And now we have a final finishing touch. Let me quickly get the finishing touch. Voila! Here we have our chocolate mousse ready to serve. Perfect condition and so creamy. Thank you, Woolworths. That is how to make your chocolate mousse.